Hi, 7th grade science classes. I'm out today with the 8th graders on their field trip to MSU, but I want to kind of spend some time going over what's expected for you for science fair. So, we're going to take a look at the packet that I gave you, and you are going to use that to kind of guide your work today. So, let's start by taking a look at your packet. It says on here that the science fair is Friday, April 13th. That is correct. That is the Friday we get back from spring break. So remember that if you are planning to go on spring break and you're going to be away, you're going to want to complete your actual experiment and collect your data ahead of time. So maybe this weekend or next weekend. This document tells you what part there is and when it's due. So you're going to need to make sure you pay a close eye to that, pay attention to that so you know when to have each thing done. It also says here, all parts of your project need to be completed in a Google Doc and submitted via Schoology. There will be a science fair folder in Schoology when you go in there, and it will have each part. So you will actually submit it on Schoology, and I can help you with that if you're not quite sure how. If you have Mrs. CP for technology, you already know how to do that, and maybe you could help the people in our class. So today you're going to start with the question, one question or sentence. So basically, you need to research and choose your topic and write a testable question. A testable question is something scientific. You're going to be changing some sort of variable. You're going to be changing one thing to see how it affects your outcome. It has to be measurable with numbers. Like if you were to do elephant toothpaste with different substances, you'd want to measure either how long it reacts, or maybe the height of the foam that comes out, or maybe even the volume of the foam. But you're going to need to measure something numerically and be able to report that data. This has to be approved by a parent and your teacher. So basically, right in this box here, where there's some extra space, I want you to get a signature of your parent once you write, write your question. Okay, so you're going to want to make sure you have your parent signature. You have my approval before you get started, and then once you have that, then you can do your experiment really at any time. This is going to be due by 3/27, which isn't until that week before spring break, but like I said, if you're going away for spring break and you know that, you're going to need to maybe do this and have this done a little quicker so you can start your experiment ahead of time. Okay, so today I'm going to have you work on your question. I'm also going to have you start doing your background research paragraph and key terms. So this is a 5 to 7 paragraph and then your sentence paragraph, and then you're going to have 5 key terms as well. So it says research your topic and write a paragraph to explain the purpose of your investigation. You want to be an expert, that should say on your topic, and be able to teach others about it. Be sure to describe the science behind your project in a paragraph. Paragraph, 5 to 7 sentences. It should educate the audience on what you are doing, how you are doing it, why you're doing it, and the purpose or importance of your investigation. You also, beneath your paragraph or above, 5 key terms and their definitions, okay, in a bulleted list. So you're going to work on this again next week, but you can get started today. Maybe start finding some information, jotting it down, maybe pasting it into your Google Doc. I'd like you to be working on both your question and your background research today, and then you can talk to me about your question when I'm back in class on Friday. So for today, you're going to need a Chromebook. You're going to need to start trying to figure out what you actually want to do for your project and start writing that question. That might take you the whole time. But if you really already know and you've come up with that, then you can go ahead and start that background research and get that going as well. If you have any questions, you can send me a message on Schoology, and I might be able to get back with you even today. I will be upstairs after 12:30 in the media center, so you could come up there and talk to me if Mrs. Royce gives you permission to do that. Also, you can wait to talk to me tomorrow about it. All right, good luck. Thanks.